20 minutes. Flip at 10 minutes. After flipped and air fryer for 10 minutes. Then air fryer at 200 degrees 5 minutes. Winglets are ready to go. Smells so good. Winglets crispy at the outside and tender inside. It's so delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe, Chinese. Version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Eating chicken every day is an easy way to reach those protein goals. A simple 4-ounce serving of chicken provides 35 grams of lean protein. Chicken in your meals can be a great way to meet your protein goals. A food rich in protein, chicken can help with weight management and reduce the risk of heart disease. Chicken contains the amino acid tryptophan, which has been linked to higher levels of serotonin, the feel-good hormone in our brains. Chicken, especially free-range, no-grain-fed chicken, is super healthy. It is packed with high-quality protein and a great source of lean protein for both male and female. The key is to prepare chicken in a healthy way. Men should eat zinc-rich foods because it helps regulate testosterone levels and increase sperm production. Aside from protein, chicken is high in minerals such as phosphorus and calcium, which help keep bones in good shape. It also contains selenium, which has been linked to a lower risk of arthritis. Here are some general advantages and disadvantages of chicken. Advantages: dietary benefits. Chicken is a good source of lean protein, making it a healthy dietary choice. It's lower in saturated fats compared to red meats, and it provides essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. There are more delicious, easy fried chicken recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.